Okay, so to use the 12 240 volt TV, unpack it from its travel mode, which is that pin there, and then the articulated arm will move. So in this instance I've got it plugged into 240 volts, but there is an optional cable that we can use for off-grid, which plugs into the 12 volt socket there, and will plug in to the 12 volt socket there. So we turn the TV on. You can either use this button here or the remote control, and the unit will turn on. So once it's on, in this instance I have a chromecast connected to it, which will come with the caravan, but you'll need either a mobile hotspot or a pocket Wi-Fi for the chromecast to work, which will effectively make the TV a smart TV. But if we want to use normal digital TV, we select source on the remote control and select digital TV. So once we've done that, we're going to need to deploy our antenna and position it accordingly. So the antenna control's on the ceiling here, just next to the smoke detector. So you'll see there's an up and down lever. So we'll deploy it. Go all the way and then back half a turn. And then you'll see this pointer here. That's the direction that the antenna's pointing. So depending on where you're camping, the best way is to download the digital TV reception finder, and it will use your phone's position to show you the nearest towers and which direction to point it. To change direction, pull that down and we point it to where we'd like to point it. When we're finished, we then need to tune the TV, because every time you move the caravan, you're in a new region, it'll need to be tuned. So to tune it, we push menu, we scroll across until we get to channel, and we go auto tuning, Australia, Victoria, and just scroll down to DTV only. There's no analog stations anymore, so, and it will go through about a 3 or 4 minute program where it'll hopefully pick up your channels. If it doesn't pick any up, you may need to adjust your TV antenna slightly. A good tip is just to have a look at other caravans around you as well and see which way that they're pointing. Can be a bit hit and miss at times. So once the tuning program's finished, it'll just go straight into TV mode and you're able to use it. Just remember that when you're finished camping and you're ready to drive again, that antenna needs to be back aligned with that and then wound back down into a stow position. Don't forget too that by pushing that button there and the red light illuminating, that will turn the signal booster on, which is a big help for the antenna. So make sure that's on when you're using the TV as well.